So in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to play match with your friend in FC24. First of all, you need to add your friend as a friend. Search your friend username to add your friend as a friend. Type username and press on search. Continue, and this is the friend username. You have to send friend request first. Request sent. Now you are able to say notification with other mobile. Wait a couple of seconds. It's arrived. Now accept. Okay. Now go back, and again you need to go this friend request, and you see the mass option. Press on mass. Now you can select attack versus attack or head to head. I'm now choosing attack versus attack. Wait a couple of seconds again to, and you have to accept it, and now it's starting. Yeah, it is starting. Now you can enjoy your game right now. This is how you can easily play match with your friend, attack versus attack or head to head. So hope video helpful. Please do subscribe and thumbs up if you like it. Have a good day. Thank you.